Hey everyone, Rick here at Rick's Automotive. Going to show you how to reset the maintenance light on your 2006 Honda Element. Got your gauge cluster here, your speedometer's in the dead center, and just below the 120 mile an hour mark, you'll have a tab here that says Select Reset. You're going to want to hold that down. All right, I'm holding the tab down. I got the key off. While I'm holding that tab down, I'm going to turn the key on. 2 clicks forward to accessory position 2. I'll hold this tab down for about 8 or 10 seconds. The maintenance required light will stay on. As soon as it turns off, you can remove your finger from the tab. Go ahead and turn the key back off and turn it back. 2 more clicks forward to accessory position. You can actually start it. I'm going to start it. And that light is now off. So you're all set. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. We'll catch you next time.